Assalamu alaikum. In the name of Allah, we will start. Today, let's take a quick revision on variables data type in programming. What is the data type of 3? 3 is a number, so we can call it in programming integer. As we say before, we can call any number that has not decimal point as in programming as integer data type. What's the data type of ME? ME is a text, so we can call its data type in programming as string. As we say before, string is any text in programming, we can call it as string. What's the data type of 1.5? 1.5 is a number, but it has a decimal point. What's the meaning of decimal point? That dot and that number after that dot, we can call that decimal point. So that number has a decimal point, so we can call it in programming float. Float is about any number that has a decimal point. What's the data type of true? True is a logical value, and its data type in programming boolean. And we can say bool 2. So its data type in programming boolean. Boolean has two values only in programming, true and false. So we can say true and false are boolean in programming language. And that's it. If there any question, write it down in comment section below, and don't forget to press the like button, share the video, and subscribe for more easy tutorials. And thank you for watching.